Someone has a stash of stolen guns after slamming an SUV into a gun store in Greensboro. Our Steve King takes us to Atlas Firearms on Rowley Street, where some brazen thieves went to great lengths to take what they wanted.
The store owner says it all started across the street from Atlas Firearms, where the thieves rigged the gas pedal with a trailer hitch to get it to race across the street on its own and hit the store. But the store owner says one collision wasn't enough apparently, so the thieves backed up the vehicle and then rammed the store again the same way, creating that big hole you see right there.
What's going through my mind is that the blatant disregard for anything. They were not concerned at all that they were here and what they were doing.
Mike Bryan was woken up after 5 this morning to hear his store was robbed.
I really don't have a message for them. Hopefully they see their day in court.
He says security footage shows that 3 thieves went through these great lengths to steal guns and cash, using another car to ram the SUV out of the way after it got caught in this hole. He says in the 4 years he's been the store owner, he never expected to see anything like this.
You'll just have a different height of awareness and precautions. And not sure exactly what those will be, but you definitely look at things in a different light.
No one was hurt in all of this, and the store was closed at the time of the incident. There is no suspect information at this time, and neither the police department or Atlas Firearms are releasing security footage of this incident right now. The store owner says Atlas Firearms is going to remain open for its normal hours, but in the meantime, it's going to take at least a month to fix all this. Reporting in Greensboro, Steve King, WXII 12 News.